6. Please form your line by cluster.
Binabanggalan ako, oh. Grabe, oh.
Baby. Baby naman.
All athletes in respective grade levels, please form your line. Asan ang mga athletes ng grade 7? Exact na impact. Asan ang athletes ng grade 8? Please stay in one place, mga anak. How about the grade 9? Form your lines para maayos. Salamat. Grade 10, asan kayo? Asaan? Hindi namin makita ang inyo, mga anak. Grade 11, asan? Hiwalay din.
Puntang ka din na Rocky.
My fellow athletes, please rise for the athlete talk. Raise your right hand and with utmost sincerity, follow after me. We,
Kapicturan natin mo lang. Yes, ma'am.
the
Video
athletes
ko.
representing the different grade levels of the Bali Terrace National High School, do hereby pledge to play according to the rules, to compete in the spirit of sportsmanship, to respect the officials' decisions, to be humble in victory, and to be magnanimous in defeat. So help us God.